Welcome to Kanwal Media 205. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a free thumbnail for your YouTube videos without using Photoshop. Open your browser. Here in the new tab, you can write www.photopea.com. Then search. This is the website. Here you can design your own thumbnail. Click on New Project. Here you can see, the size of thumbnail is written by default. The height and the width is already set. You do not do any change in this figure. Here, you can select the background format. Always select the transparent, because in transparent format, you can adjust your background image easily. Then click on Create. Now, here you can design your thumbnail. First you can place your background image. Place the background image of same size, which is set in this software by default. Here you see, the height and width is already written. Choose the image from your computer or download it from the Google. Here, I am downloading background image of same size from the Google. I am searching background image of same size which is set in the software by default. Here, I am writing the size of image. Here, you see, different types of background. You can download any of them as you like. I am selecting this one. Here you see, the size of image is little bit shorter. No problem, I can adjust its size in the software. I am downloading this image in my computer. Go to the file, here you see the open and place option. Click on it, then choose the image from your computer. You can also adjust the size of image, if smaller or larger. Now, here you can write the text. To write the text on background image, here, you see the option of text, click on it. Then select the writing style. There are different writing style. Here, I am choosing this one. Then click on image. After a second, type your sentence. Here, I am writing, how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos. Now, here you can also place an image as you like. To insert an image, again go to Files, then select an option, Open and Place. Choose the picture from your computer, then click on it. And opens. Now, bigger the size of your image as you like, and set as you want. I am placing this image here. Now, our thumbnail is ready. You can also change the color of your writing and writing style as you like. Now save this thumbnail in your computer. To save this picture, go to Files, here you see an option of Export As, then select the file type. Remember, for YouTube thumbnail, you must select the JPG file format. After clicking on it, here, you can increase its quality. Then click on Save. This is done. Your thumbnail is downloaded in your computer. To see your thumbnail, go to Computer Files, in the Downloads, here you see, this is our thumbnail. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorial videos, and press the bell icon to get notification of my latest uploaded videos.